Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up Google Photos to an external hard drive using the updated method for 2025. Let's get started. First, connect your external hard drive to your PC. Open the drive, then right-click and create a new folder. Name the folder something like Google Photos Backup. Next, open your browser and search for Google Photos. Log in to your Google account. You'll see your photo library. Now, open a new tab and search for Google Takeout. Sign into your account. You'll see a list of Google services. Click on the selection box and press Ctrl-G to bring up the search bar. Type in Photos and scroll down until you see Google Photos. Check the box next to it. Scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Keep the default settings unless you want to change the file type or export frequency. Choose your preferred file size. For example, you can select 2 GB, then click Create Export. Google will now prepare your photos for download. This may take a few hours or even days, depending on how many photos you have. Once the export is ready, you'll get an email from Google Takeout. Open the email and click Download your files. This will take you to a download page. Click the Download button. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click the file or folder and select Copy. Open your external hard drive. Go to the folder you created earlier, right-click, and choose Paste. And that's it. That's how you back up your Google Photos to an external hard drive, step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.